What's the meaning of contrabass? Contrabass. Contrabass.
Contrabass. Contrabass. Contrabass refers to the lowest-pitched stringed instrument in the modern symphony orchestra, also known as the double bass. The contrabass typically has 4 strings and a large wooden body, which produces a deep, resonant sound that anchors the orchestra's harmonic foundation. Musicians often use a bow to play the contrabass, but it can also be plucked with the fingers. Its rich and versatile sound has made it a popular instrument in many styles of music, including classical, jazz, and rock. Overall, the contrabass plays a critical role in providing the necessary low-end frequencies that deepen and enrich the overall sound of an ensemble.